In the previous video, you understood what programming languages are and why Java is so powerful. In this video, we will do two things. We will install Java and write your first program. By the end of this video, you will see your own code running on your computer. Okay, so for doing that, we need to install these two things. One is JDK, that is Java Development Kit. This JDK comprises of JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and other libraries and tools used for running Java. Okay, and the second one is a code editor. Code editor, we can also write Java program in a notepad, but for our convenience, for a better clarity, we will use a code editor. For this video, we are going to use the Visual Studio Code Editor. Let me write it here. That is VS Code. Okay, so let's move on to our browser, and there, let's move on to our browser, and here we will search download. Just wait a minute. Let's search download JDK. Okay, and click this first link. This will redirect you to the official website of Java. Java is owned by Oracle, as you know. And here we will search for a version with the latest LTS support. LTS means long-term support. So we have a Windows system. So I will select this Windows, and here 64-bit compressed archive, 64-bit installer. I will click on this one, the middle one, and the download will start automatically. By the time, just go on to your new tab and search here VS Code download. Press enter, and here is the first portal. Go to that and select your system. Like I have Windows, so I will select here Windows, and the download will automatically start. I have already installed the VS Code in my system, so I will not do this. Even if I do this, I resume this and then again reinstall this, my previous version will get updated. Okay, so let's wait for some minutes to get these two things downloaded, and then we will move on to the further installation. So the JDK has been downloaded. I will click here open file and then start the installation. Click on yes, and we will see the Java installation, JDK installation has started. This is the path. Click on next, and it will take some time and it will automatically install. So the JDK has been installed. Let's click on next step. If you want to see the documentations related to that, you can read it here. Else, we have done installing the JDK in our system. Now, how to check that? We will press Windows plus R and write here CMD. Press enter, and then we will write here Java dash version, and then press enter. See, this is the version of our Java JDK. If you get this message, any different version, if you are watching this video at some different time, then you will get some different version. Just you need to check this message that you are getting this message. It means your JDK has been installed into your system. If you are not getting this message, you are getting something else. That means your JDK has not been installed till now. Okay, now let's move on to VS Code. VS Code has also been installed. I will click on open file and then click on I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Create a desktop icon if you want, you can, and click on next, then install slowly. It will take some time, then VS Code will also get installed. Just wait for some minutes. So we are done installing this. Uh, I will check this launch Visual Studio Code and click on finish. Visual Studio Code will open here and I will cut this. Just telling me about the version. Now what I will do, I will click on uh, open folder, go to desktop, select this folder. Here I will create a new folder. I will name it Java. Inside this Java, I will create a new file named abc.java. Press enter. Now I will write here my first program, that is class abc. The class name should always be same as your file name. Okay. Then next thing we will write public static. Uh, if I press tab or press enter, everything will be automatically written here. This is the feature of VS Code. If you write it, if you write your Java code in Notepad or some other code editor, then you may not get these features. That's why I prefer VS Code. So the next thing which I will write is system, or I can do SOPLN, press enter. These are shortcuts and write hello world. Okay, so public static void main, string arguments, system.out.println. Don't panic after seeing all this. These are some of kind of compulsory things which you have to do if you want to write code in Java. What is this public? What is this static? Everything we will understand in the upcoming videos. These are some advanced topics. For now, just remember that if you want to print anything on your, if you want to see anything on your screen, you have to write it inside this statement, that is system.out.println. What I will do, I can simply click on this. Okay, as you can see here, I have this play button. This is a code runner extension which I have installed. In VS Code, you can install many extensions. Extensions, they make your work easier. So what you can do, just click on code runner extension. Okay, and see, you will see this code runner. Click here install and you will install the code runner extension. After installing the code runner extension, you will see this play button here. In your case, as you have not installed it, you can't see this. So what this play button do, if I click this, this will print whatever I have written here into my console. As you can see here, hello world. This code runner extension, this button only works when we have to print anything. If I want to take any input from the user, at that time, I can't use this code runner button. Okay, let's for now, if you simply have to just print anything, you don't have to take any user input, then at that time you can click on this code runner button and easily everything will be printed on your console. If I write something else here, hello world, how are you? Then press this button, you will see hello world, how are you written here. So this was our first video on Java. If you are not able to download this code runner extension, you can simply run your Java file by going to the terminal. Click here, click on these three dots, click on terminal, the new terminal. Now let the terminal load. See, now let's we are in the YT named folder. Now we have to move to the Java folder. For moving to Java folder, we have to write here cd Java here. Now we are inside the Java folder, and now inside Java folder, what we want to do, we want to compile this code. What do you mean by compiling this code? Compiling means, is this code syntactically correct? Does this code follows the rules of Java? So for compiling this code, we will write Java C, then the file name. What is our file name? Our file name is abc.java. Press enter. See, as you can see, simply the next line appeared here without any error. That means it has compiled successfully. Now we will, for showing us the output, we will write here Java ABC. Okay, and then press enter. See, hello world, how are you? Let's suppose I make any error here. In case of print, I write here prit. Okay, only prit. Remove this n. It's an error. It is syntactically not correct. Now let's check what Java does. Java C abc dot java. Now let's press enter. See, we got an error. What is that error? abc.java. The file name abc.java. In that file name, on third number line, we got an error. What is that error? We cannot find symbol. Which symbol? pritln. That means pritln. Java directory don't have anything named pritln. Okay, so please correct this thing and then rewrite your code, correct this thing and then compile it once again. So we will again write here n and then once again compile this code, run this code. See, hello world, how are you? Without any error. So you just wrote and executed your first Java program. You have officially entered the world of Java programming. Next video, we will understand what is program, how Java code is structured, what class and main really means,